In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly workflows. Whether you're looking to streamline your scheduling process or just make your life a bit easier, automating workflows in Calendly can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll need to navigate to the Workflows tab within your Calendly account. Now, if you're wondering where exactly you can find this, just log into your account and you should see it listed on the side panel. Click on it and you'll be greeted with a selection of workflow options you can automate. This is where the magic begins. You'll see a variety of workflow templates presented to you. These templates are designed to help you with common tasks like sending an email reminder to invitees, issuing a text cancellation, or even sending a thank you email after an event has concluded. Let's focus on selecting the email reminder template for this walkthrough. Simply click on the email reminder option, but don't forget, you can always explore the other templates later if they better suit your needs. Once you've selected the email reminder template, it's time to customize it. You'll first be prompted to give your workflow a name. Naming your workflow wisely can help you identify it quickly in the future, especially if you plan to set up multiple automations. Next, choose an event type that this workflow should apply to. This could be a meeting type you've already created in Calendly or a new one that you've set up. Now that you've picked an event type, we need to specify the conditions under which this workflow should be triggered. This is an exciting part because it allows you to tailor the workflow to your specific schedules and needs. Decide on the if and when this should happen. Perhaps you want to send the reminder a day before the event or just a few hours before. The choice is yours. With the conditions set, let's move on to personalizing the email that will be sent to your invitees. Customization is key here because a personalized touch can make a significant difference. In the email personalization section, feel free to add specific details like the attendee's name or any other personalized message you think will make the invitee feel valued. Once you've crafted the email just the way you like it, don't forget the crucial final step: save your work. At the top or bottom of your screen, you'll find a Save button. Click on it to ensure all the customizations and configurations you've made are preserved. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automated workflow on Calendly. With this new automation, you can save time, reduce hassle, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Feel free to experiment with other workflow templates to further optimize your scheduling process. Until next time, happy scheduling.